It goes on and on and on. Remind me of everything tonight. Yes, I'm in the zone. Dreaming about the things that we could be. So it's gonna be forever. You already know. That's what kill me when I'm in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Oh, is it too late now to say I need a one dance? And then we start to dance and I'm singing like,
Might be over now, but I feel it still.
Isa ka rin ba sa mga gustong magpaputi at magpaglow ng skin? Itong Glutathione Collagen Glow ang perfect para sa'yo. Aside from whitening and brightening effect, may anti-aging formula din yung ating Glutathione Collagen Glow. 60 pieces na nga yung laman niya sa loob and in the form of gummy. At napakasarap ng flavor dahil nga strawberry. And recommended daily intake is up to 2 gummies per day. Perfect din talaga tong Gluta Collagen Glow gummies para sa mga gustong magpaputi pero hindi sanay mag-take ng capsules.